So I'm going to answer the age-old question of to mount or not to mount. That is the question. But look at this right here. Focus, it's wet. This is my buddy's job, and I'm helping out. Helping out meaning being a consultant or something. I'm not the one actually pushing. I'm not cleaning. All I'm doing is, hey, you might want to think about doing this. Hey, you might want to think about doing that. So with the knowledge I have when it comes to pressure washing, soft washing, and cleaning, he just asked me to be here, show him what to do and what not to do. But make sure you stay at the top though, like, don't skip. Since you got this done, come back and finish the top and just go all the way across. Don't skip any parts. So start there. We're here and we got to do an entire, not building wash, but clean all sidewalks, stairs, walkways, everything. And we got 2 days to do this entire, School of Business and Industry. The thing is, we really can't use any chemicals. So it's all pressure. And you'll see videos of how we're going to obtain this without using any chemicals. And this is what the wall looks like clean with a handheld surface cleaner. Something nice and wet, do me a favor. If you're liking what you're seeing so far, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment below. Tell me if you ever got caught in the rain while doing any type of jobs. I mean, rain. I am soaked. My guys are soaked. My glasses are soaked. A little bit of everything. The reasons why I have yet to mount my pressure washer on my trailer. So as you can tell, it's raining. And my machine is right there. Now we do have another machine, my guy's machine, out there running in the rain. It'll be all right, but I like to keep things pretty safe. So we're gonna go put some gas in this and get this bad boy running again. But there's no point of going from a spigot all the way over there, let's just say a spigot, to my machine, my trailer, and back. So in instances like this, we like to put our machine near the water source and just pull it. All the stairwells, flat work there, other set of stairwells, all that has to be done, and we cannot not have a machine on wheels. So as I was saying, water source machine till all the way up here. That's the other machine we got going on, while mine is downstairs, close enough to the water source. But remember, we got 100 foot of water hose and 150 of high pressure hose. So that lets us stay relatively close to the areas we have to wash. We have to get all the way up here, all across here once again. All the way up there,